Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy gravy noodles. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 12 ounces of egg noodles, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. For the liquid, have 2 cups of chicken or beef broth ready, along with a half teaspoon of salt and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. This simple list ensures a delicious and comforting dish without much fuss. Now, let's get those noodles cooking. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil. Add your 12 ounces of egg noodles and cook them according to the package instructions until they are perfectly al dente, which usually takes about 7 to 9 minutes. Once cooked, drain the noodles well, but remember to reserve about 1/4 cup of that starchy cooking water. This will be useful later for adjusting gravy consistency. With the noodles ready, it's time for the star of the show, the gravy. In a large skillet, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Cook this mixture, known as a roux, for about 1 minute, stirring constantly until it's lightly golden. Slowly pour in the 2 cups of chicken or beef broth, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. Bring it to a simmer and let it thicken for 2 to 3 minutes. Finally, let's bring it all together. Add your drained egg noodles directly into the skillet with the warm, rich gravy. Toss everything gently until the noodles are completely coated in that savory goodness. Taste and adjust your seasonings, adding more salt and pepper if desired. If the gravy seems too thick, a splash of that reserved noodle water will help achieve the perfect consistency. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Serve your comforting gravy noodles hot and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.